Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this Sanyo DXH8 inverter AC board, there are inductors that are connected in series with the sensors: air temperature sensor, discharge sensor. It is L015, L014, L, that is for inductor. How we can read the code for this inductor? First band, that is wide band, yellow, violet, black. Go to Google, type here inductor color code calculator. The first one, coil 32, 3 band, 4 band and 5 band. In our case, here are 3 bands. The first band, yellow, violet, black. It is 47 microhenry plus minus 20%. Thanks for watching.